Hello my dear students. So today we will read chapter 1, that is revision. The first question is fill in the blanks. This chapter is very important because in this chapter you are revising the previous knowledge. Okay. So the largest 4-digit number is, what is the largest 4-digit number? When you are going to write the largest digit, it will be start from 9. Okay, so the largest 4-digit number is 9999, and the smallest 4-digit number, it will be always start from 1. After that you will increase 0. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The place value of 8 in 3486. Okay, so you can see here, you have to tell the place value of 8, and 8 is at tens place. So 1's tens, 8 tens. 8 tens means 8 will be multiplied by 10. 8 tens means 8 will be multiplied by 10 means 80. Okay. The predecessor of 3000. Predecessor means just before the number, means you have to subtract 1 from this number. So what you will get? 2999. The successor of 6, next is there E, the successor of 6899. So means just after this number, you have to write the number. Just after this number means you have to add 1 in this number. So 6900 will be there. The place value of dash always remains the same. There is only one number, their place value is always remains same, that will be 0. Okay, 0. The largest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits. So I have already told you that when you will write the largest digit numbers, you will start from 9. Then 8, 7, 6. So this is the largest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits. Then the smallest H is there, the smallest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits. So it will be start from 1, and 0 is there, and you are writing the smallest digits. So 0 will be at second place. Remember, if 0 is coming, then 0 it will be at second place. So 1, 0, 2, 3. Okay. Now I am going to tell you second question. The second question is this: write the following numerals in words. Write the following numerals in words. So here is the first question A. 5476. So at first you will write in the place value table ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 6 is at ones place, and 7 is at tens place, 4 is at 100 place, and 5 is at 1000 place. So what you will read this? 5476. So you have to write in words 476 76. Okay, like this you can solve question number 2. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. Question number 3 is this: write the following numbers in figures. Write the following numbers in figures. Okay. So here the first question, third A, 8602. 602. So at first you will write in the place value table ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. So you have to see here 2 is at which place? Ones place, and 6 is at 100 place, and 8 is at which place? 8 is at 1000 place. And if nothing is there, so what you will write there? You will write there 0 if nothing is written here. So 8602. Just like this you can solve question number 3rd. Okay students, now I am going to tell you question number 4. So what is question number 4? Question number 4 is this: write the place value and face value. Write the place value and face value of each digit in 834. Okay, so firstly I am going to write here place value. Here will be solution, then place value. So place value, how will you find of each digit? So 4 is at which place beta? 4 is at ones place. So you have to write here 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 will be multiplied by 1. There will be 4. Okay. Then 3 is at which place? Ones, tens. So 3 is at tens place. So 3 will be multiplied by 10. So it will become 3 10 ja 30. And 8 is at which place? 8 is at 100 place. So you have to write 800s. 800s means 8 will be multiplied by 100. So you will get 800. Okay. Now one more thing, you have to find face value. So face value will be the same number. Face value just like this. If you have to find the place value of 4, if you have to find the face value of 4, so it will be 4, and face value of 3 will be 3, face value of 8 will be 8. Okay, so here I have find the place value of each digit, and here face value of each digit. Okay, Now I am going to tell you question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is there. Find the difference between find the difference between the place value of two sevens, the place value of two sevens occurring in 7875. Okay. सो आपको क्या करना है बेटा, आपको प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है ये जो दोनों सेवन है उनके. ओके, फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ टू सेवंस. सो हियर इज द टू सेवन, फर्स्ट सेवन इज हियर एंड सेकंड सेवन इज हियर. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस सेवन. So this 7 is at which place? You can see here ones, tens. So this 7 is at tens place. 7 tens means 7 will multiply by 10. It will become 7 10 is 70. Okay. Now this 7. So this 7 is at which place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 7 thousands. 7,000 means 7 will be multiplied by 1000, so it will become 7,000. The question is asking the difference between, means now in mathematics difference means subtraction. So you have to subtract here. Write here difference. So from 7,000 you will subtract 70. To subtract it, 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 6,930 will be your answer. Okay. Question number 6. Now I am going to tell you question number 6. What is question number 6? The question number 6 is this. Find the difference between the place value of 3, in 5,396 and 5 in 7,952. So now I am going to solve this. So here you write firstly solution. So beta, in this number you have to find the place value of 3, and in this number you have to find the place value of 5. So in 5,396 you have to tell the place value of 3. So 3 is at which place? Ones, tens, hundred. So 3 is at hundreds place. So 3 hundreds will be there. Now 3 will be multiplied in 100. So what is the place value? 300. And in this number 7952, you have to find the place value of 5. Okay, so 7952, and you have to take the place value of 5. So 5 will at the place 1's tens. So you write here 5 tens. 5 tens means 5 will be multiplied by 10. So you will get 50. One more thing, you have to find difference. So I have already told you, in mathematics difference means subtraction. So here you will find the difference. So which one is the greater? 300 is greater. So from 300 you will subtract 50. So 300 minus 50, what will be the answer? 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 250 is your answer. Okay, so like this you can solve question number 1 to 6. Dear students, I hope you understand it well. In next video I will tell you the remaining question of this chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day beta.